do is I pick orders, so pretty much that includes 1 steps, 2 steps, or sometimes occasionally complete put away. So that means is if I'm doing 1 step, I have to go to a location, scan the location,
Very nice.
tell me exactly what I need to grab and how much I need to grab from the location, and you just have to match that up with the number and the description, and you just tag it and box it. 2 steps, much more simpler. All you do is just make sure the part is correct, throw a label on it, and throw it on your pallet.
This is I point, the induction point, where we put stuff into the OSR. Our big machine that holds on to all our parts before we calm down to send them out. So I'll take a pallet and I'll scan it, and it'll tell me how much to put in, and I will put it in the designated totes, which will go in and get stored in there. And we can only fit so much into a tote, so I have to split up the totes accordingly for how much product we have. I just pick orders for customers. So what will happen is I snatch it, put it where it's set to go, scale it out, then we print a label, throw it in a bag, seal the bag, put it in a box, hang the label, pull the label off.
Okay, so everything will come over from our picking department after it's palletized, packaged, everything's ready to go labeled up. Over here it's going to come over to the shipping area. Once it's over here, we'll go ahead and process the paperwork based on the labels that we got from the picking and packing area. That will spin all the documentation we need with it. It'll also tell us our delivery dates and our shipping dates to meet those delivery dates.
Is there anything that you enjoy about working here that you can speak to?
The people.
Yeah.
I've been here 15 years.
Oh wow.
It's kind of like.
What I enjoy is that since I'm pretty much out in the aisles all the time by myself, so I don't say I'm my own boss, but I'm in control of what I do and how fast I work and make sure everything is correct. So I'm in control of what happens out there. So I enjoy that about this job.
One thing that I really like about Würth is it's really fast-paced and I'm always busy. I'm not stuck doing the same thing all day, every day.
I like everyone I work with, so that's nice. Those are the main reasons I like it here.
I also like some of the freedom that I get from my superiors and my managers to be creative, come up with new processes, and ultimately fix things on our own.